Range viewers, here we are, August day, 80 degrees, 6:37 in the afternoon. What do we do at the Lacy Range? Unfortunately, it is a Saturday night, but once again, what do we do at the Lacy Range? We shoot. What we got here, let me see if you can figure out what it is. Just by the first shot down the range. What do you think that was? Some of you probably know. It's a number 2 Lee-Enfield 22 long rifle. This particular one is an Australian one, and the other day I came out here and it was doing real well. I can't remember what I had the sights on though, and that's probably. Let me start out at 2 here. The round doesn't eject, single load, and we have the catching all the brass right here. Tell you what, I'm gonna have to shoot at the 25 here and figure out. Okay, 2 is 25. Let me go to 3 on the sight. They did not change the sights on these, so I'm assuming they probably had set ranges when they used them, and you just, each kid or whoever was using them set it on that. The other day I was lighting it up. There we go. Okay, I got it set on 3. And that is pretty spot on. Let's see if I can follow up. I got old Ken Donahue shaking in his voodoo shoes right now. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty impressive. We're shooting CCI standard, by the way. Oh! See, I get talking too much smack, and it brings me back to life. I think that was a little high, the way that. Now, it's in there with the rest of them. Talk about a quick point. This is the 3rd gun I've shot today, making videos. And what I like to do when when you got a nice day like this, I like bringing y'all along and letting you just whatever I'm shooting. I don't do a list up and think, hey, I'm gonna shoot this and put it on the video. Most of the time, it is something that I just got, or something that for some reason I'm wanting to shoot, either getting ready for a match or something like that. So, this right here, picked it up this week thanks to Andy Longberg. Ran across it and got it for a decent price too. And they're a lot of fun. That's all I can say. 22 trainer is the bomb, no matter what. Okay, now I know that y'all are thinking, all right, is he gonna shoot the top? Well, let's see. Let's see if I can hit that top. Oh, that was a miss. Let me rest her back down here. Oh, yep, on the right side. I can't remember if I told y'all. Now this is at 50 yards. Now how much funner misuse? I mean, I'm telling you guys, this is absolutely. I can get out here in the afternoon. Uh, and the Lacy Range does have neighbors around me. They've been super accommodating of my shooting habits. Uh, and really, the whole neighborhood comes over here and well, quite a few of the neighbors come around and shoot. So, you know, it's not like I'm the only one here, but my two next door neighbors have definitely been accommodating. And, you know, it doesn't make, especially a 22 out of a long barrel like this, they don't make a whole lot of noise. You know, and it's a lot of fun. It is a whole lot of fun. Let me reset the camera and let's see if we can engage 100. 100, if I remember from the other day, I went from 3 to 5 on the rear side. Okay, that was not a hit. I'm coming in low. Let me there we go. There's another hit on it. I'm telling you, old Ken Donahue and that hoodoo that he has. And this is at 100 yards. Too easy, too easy. And once you're done, the empty magazine is no follower in it. Catches all your brass. And just toss it out. Keep a tidy range. Keep a tidy range. So 3 is for 50 yards. 2 will do 25. And 5, and it could go one click up from 5. And that would get me probably dead on. But Australian #2 Enfield. This one does not have any markings on the buttstock, but a good set of wood. The green type parkerization that the Australians use. And if you'll notice, it also has the holes cut out for front sight adjustment that they like to do. And yep, pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Feels good. Only thing that make it better is if they'd worked out a magazine in there. And got it going. So I guess when I reload my next big batch of 303, I can get I got 2 Australian number ones, and just start shooting them a little bit more. But guys, like I say, I'm gonna hopefully get the pictures in here, show you this gun up close. But this is the way to do things right here. It's a lot of fun. The Moss 45 I've already put up. I've got 2 other 22s videoed. Man, look at them. And if you get a chance to get one, get all over it. Lacy Range viewers, I'll see you soon.